This is how you can migrate your Ruby from mining balance to your Ruby wallet address. Let me show you how many Ruby have migrated so far. Let me go to my wallet here. See, I've migrated 201 Ruby tokens so far. So let me show you step by step how you can do the same. When you're here, come here, right here. Will take you to this part. You click on statistics. You click on user verified here. You come to migration. I have 4 Ruby to be migrated, so I'm going to push this one to the maximum here, right here. Apply. Boom, guys, that's simple. So my Ruby have been migrated to my Ruby wallet. Let me go and check here. See, boom, guys, my Ruby coin arrived to my wallet already. See, if you're not mining, I'll leave the link in the comment section. Just copy the link and paste it into your browser. Make sure you remove the profile name. The link may have the profile name, so make sure you remove it. That's simple, guys. Make sure to like and follow for more crypto curiosities.